to watch music videos on Spotify. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Spotify on your device. Then, click on the music you want to see video of. After you click on the music, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, at the top of the name, you'll find Switch to Video. Click on Switch to Video. After you click on Switch to Video, video will play in the same screen in this way. If you want to switch to audio, you can click on Switch to Audio and switch to audio. And this is how to watch music videos on Spotify. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.